Hi YouTube, I'm in Pendeford Mill Nature Reserve, which is a nice name for a patch of mud. There was a cutting from a 2,000-year-old tree there, but I'd like to see its birth certificate. Oh, I should have worn my badge trainers for this. Look at the state of this. We've got a nice little pool there, some swans. Oh my god, my trainers. What's this pool called anyway? Do not enter the water. Really looks so acid free. Go and have a look at them swans. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going to sink into this. Ugh. Disgusting. Now I'm on YouTube. I have to put this on You've Been Framed. Brand new trainers and I've got to wash them there. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. I thought I'd go out for a nice bike ride today. I'm walking through a bog. Oh my goodness. This ain't a reserve. It's a toilet. Oh, just have a look at these ones and I'll stop taping. You can't walk through this. Come on, Matt. Some cows over there. But oh, look at my shoes. Look at that. Brand new trainers. I wonder what this little pool's called. Can you see those swans through there? Oh my god. There they are. There's two white blobs. And some cows over here. Never let people say there's nothing of interest to visit in Wolverhampton. You can come here and lose your trainers. It's a bigger pool than I expected. Still going. Oh. Oops. Nearly lost my bike then. There's some cows. You can see some water now. Hello, Mr. Bird. Hooray, grass. Now, if that doesn't deserve a like and subscribe, I don't know what does. Oh my goodness. I'll have to leave you for a bit now, guys. Hope you all have a great day. Have fun and take